Is paper going to be tough this year CBT 2026? I'm sure ये क्वेश्चन आप सभी के दिमाग में बहुत ज़्यादा हो रहा होगा. So I'm here to help you out this. My name is Utkarsh Verma and I'm a psychology mentor at Study Capital. So there is a trend in the last 3-4 years that you must be observing कि paper बहुत ज़्यादा easy आ रहा है. What is the problem with that easy paper? See, the thing is, other subjects such as English, history, Hindi, geography, paper is from moderate to difficult. But in psychology, for I don't know what reason, they are making paper so easy. Like they are putting questions from easy to moderate level. My friend, if you are thinking that the papers are easy, you need a solid plan. Alright, आपको preparation सही से करनी पड़ेगी because paper is easy. Alright. So the thing is, what happens every year there is a normalization case, and this year many students score 300 by 300 in psychology. So this is forcing NTA to take a normalization step, which means there is a very high chance कि इस बार का पेपर थोड़ा सा टफ आने वाला है. So please be ready. If the paper comes easy, then it is a bad thing for you people because cutoffs बहुत ज़्यादा हाई जाती हैं. And people who are good at rote learning, जो बहुत रटते हैं and there is a lot of luck chance, उनके numbers बहुत ज़्यादा आ जाते हैं as compared to those people जिन्होंने अच्छे में genuine मेहनत करी है. So if the paper will be tough, lot of competition will automatically be filtered out for you people. So इस चीज़ को मान के चलो that this is my personal gut feeling. Paper will be little bit tough on this year. Alright, so अपनी preparation को आपको up करना पड़ेगा, and if you want a right and credible guidance from the right person, right platform, you are on the right thing. My name is Utkarsh Verma and I have launched my new batch, that is the Dhurandhar batch, because obviously everyone has to follow the trends. Alright, so इस batch में ये previously संकल्प batch था, new innings, new trends, new name. But the thing is same, this is not just the crash course, this is a foundation course. So in the price of crash course, you will be getting the complete foundation course from the zero classes to the advanced classes with special focus on research and statistics. So I know ये काफी लोगों के लिए hurdle होता है, but trust me, research and statistics will feel like a butter for you people. And इसके साथ साथ आपको notes, PPTs सब कुछ दिया जाएगा with inclusive free mock test series, which is all India mock test series. 15 से भी ज़्यादा टेस्ट आपको दिए जाएंगे with video solutions and explanations and answer keys. इसके साथ साथ PYQ banks, question answer analysis, one-to-one mentorship and lot more things. So ये सारी की सारी चीज़ें you will get in the Dhurandhar batch, previously known as Sankalp batch. Download the Study Capital app right now. There you will see the section of CVT PG Dhurandhar batch series, and there you will find my course. See you soon in the batch.